In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and edit the mobile version of your Wix site. If your website looks great on desktop but feels a little off on a phone or smaller screen, don't worry. Wix makes it very easy to review and adjust your mobile layout directly inside the editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly clean up the mobile version of your site and make it easier for visitors to use. To begin, go to the page where you edit your site in Wix. This is the main editor area where you normally make changes to your website's design, text, images, and layout. Once you're inside the editor, take a look toward the top right corner of the editing page. You'll see a mobile icon there. That icon is what lets you switch from the standard desktop view into the mobile editing view. Go ahead and click the mobile icon. As soon as you do, Wix will show you the mobile version of your site. This view is specifically designed to help you understand how your website appears on mobile devices, which is important because elements that look properly spaced on desktop can sometimes appear too large, too close together, or slightly misaligned on smaller screens. From here, you can interact with the elements on the page to fix the mobile version of your site. That means you can click on different sections, text boxes, images, buttons, and other content to adjust how everything is arranged in the mobile layout. As you work, pay close attention to spacing, readability, and how easy it is for someone to scroll through the page on a phone. The goal is to make sure everything looks clean, organized, and easy to tap and read. Take your time as you review each section. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your site feels on mobile. It's also a good idea to look over the entire page, rather than only fixing one area, since a smooth mobile experience depends on the full layout working well together. And that's it. Once you're in the mobile view, you can directly work with the elements and improve the mobile version of your Wix site. It's a simple process, but it's one of the most important final checks you can make to ensure your website looks polished and works well for mobile visitors.